Welcome back to today's video. Today we're dealing with rounding numbers to decimal places. Okay, rounding numbers to decimal places. Now let's look at rounding numbers to two decimal places. We're dealing with two decimal places, and here we have 1.174. So when you want to round up numbers to two decimal places, ensure you have two numbers after the decimal. This is the decimal point. 1, 2. Ensure you have two numbers after the decimal point. Okay, so here we have 1.17, and that is the answer. Now the 4 is not up to 5. Assuming 4 was up to 5, we're going to add 1 on top of the second number, that is 7. So from 5 and above, you add plus 1 to the number in front of 8. So for example, we have 15.264. All right, remember two decimal places has to do with 1 and 2. So we're not going to add this. And assuming this was up to 5 and above, it would have been 15.27. Would have added 1 to 6. But unfortunately, it's not up to 5 and above. So our answer, therefore, is 15.26. Whereas here is 1.17. Okay? So let's handle the third one. We have 5.029. 5.029. Do not forget we are rounding up to two decimal places. Okay? And we said that whenever we want to round numbers to two decimal places, we must have two numbers after the decimal. This is the decimal point. 1, 2. Okay? But in this case, the number following where we're supposed to stop at is up to 5 and above. In fact, it is above 5. So we're going to add 1 to the number before. So we'll have it as 3. Therefore, our answer here is 5.03. Our number 4 question says 0.9017. Don't forget that we are rounding to two decimal places. Okay, and we said that you're going to pick two numbers after the decimal point. This is the decimal point. All right, this is decimal point. So you're going to pick two numbers after the decimal point. But before then, we're going to consider the third number if it is up to 5 and above. So in this case, it is not up to 5. So we'll just pick the numbers we have. Now, if it was up to 5 and above, we're going to add 1 to this second number here. Okay, but since it is not up to 5 and above, our answer here is going to remain 0.90. For the fifth question, we have 0.017. All right, so we're going to consider the two numbers after the decimal, which is 0 and 1. Now, don't forget that we check the number in front of it to know if it is up to 5 and above. And yes, it is above 5. That is 7. And because of this, we're going to add 1 to the second number here. And that becomes 2. So our answer here is 0.02. Now, the sixth number is a bit tricky. Okay, so we're supposed to, as usual, pick two numbers after the decimal, which is the decimal point here. So the two numbers are 9 and 9. But first, we're going to consider the number in front of it, and that is 6. Is it up to 5 and above? Yes. So because of that, we'll add 1 to this, and that is 10. Can we write 10 together? No. If we do write 10 together, it's going to be more than two numbers after the decimal. So we write 0 and also carry the 1 and put here. we add it here. 9 plus 1 again is 10. Write another 0 and put 1 here. So in this case, we're going to take the 1 again to the other side, and we have 3 plus 1, that is 4. Do not forget to add your decimal point. So in this case, our answer is 4.00. Okay? Now, can you do this for me? Convert around 5.997. Round it up to 2 decimal places and send me your answer in the comment section. Write it in the comment section. Do not forget to like and share our videos, and also follow us on our page and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. See you next time. Bye bye.